everybody, welcome back to our channel Programming School. So in this video I'll be talking about TCS and QT National Qualifier Test. So before getting the video started, I would like to let you know about the eligibility criteria of different kinds of exciting deals in which TCS Ion is going to offer the graduates. So I'll be saying you the eligibility criteria of the roles, the package they are providing and all. So let's get started. TCS and QT National Qualifier Test. The test dates are 1st May 2021 and 13th May 2021, and there are only limited registrations for this, and the registrations will be closed on 20th April 2021. This is the most exciting company where many students are really enthusiastic and excited to do job. So when we check out in this website, I'll be providing the link in the description box. You can check out our exciting deals on TCS and QT IT Career Readiness Pack. So let's check what this pack is of. So this is a TCS and QT IT Career Readiness Pack. Fulfill your dreams of working in an IT company. Kickstart your career in top IT companies with TCS and QT. So usually the price is almost about 1,598, in which we are getting a discount of 37%, in which the price is reduced to 9,998 rupees. So when you activate this and buy this, you'll be ready for this pack. And most frequently asked question is who can apply and what are the prospects of the job, so how the test is going to be conducted on and all. So I'll be saying you each and every detail. Before that, you can go through the sample test and you can check the FAQs for more details. As I already said, it's a limited registrations and the registrations will be closed on 20th April 2021. When coming to the test dates, these are on 1st May 2021 and 13th May 2021. So who can apply for this? Anyone aspiring for a role of IT programmer, a fresher who would like to test the skills such as aptitude, attitude, and programming knowledge. Anyone who would like to access their IT knowledge in programming and improve their chance of getting hired in the recruitment process. So anyone who is really interested in doing an IT programmer job can apply for this. So what are the job prospects? Like you'll be given a role of developer or system engineer or analyst, and this is gives an eligibility to apply for an entry-level job roles in top IT companies. The salary expectations would be of 3 lakh to 9 lakh per annum, and you can access the job post on TCS Ion job listing portal. So what about the test? It is conducted online at home and physical in center at TCS Ion authorized exam center. You can either write it from your home, or you can go to any kind of TCS authorized test center. So these scores are valid for 2 years. Candidates with NQT score can apply for entry level job roles in any corporate. There is a prerequisite for this, like NQT cognitive skills is a prerequisite test for taking any kind of subject NQT test. So you can go through what we like TCS Ion is going to offer some pack also. You can go through this. I'll be providing you the link in the description box. This is one kind of offer, like for IT career readiness. You can also go through other deal which TCS Ion is giving us, like TCS and QT BFS career readiness. So let's check what this BFS career readiness is of, readiness pack is of. Yeah, it's also having 37% of discount, and TCS and Ion is providing it for 998 rupees. As I already said, you can take the sample test, and you can also go through the questions like who can apply. For this role, anybody can apply who are aspiring job in banking and financial markets. A fresher would like to test any skills such as aptitude, attitude, and skills for the financial markets and services. Like what are the job prospects? You can the job prospects like account operation officer, data analyst, financial analyst, auditor, account executive, teller, cashier in any industry. These are the some of the job prospects like BFS career readiness pack is going to give us. So you can expect the salary of 1.5 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs per annum. And as I already said you, the test is online at home, same as the IT pack. The score is valid for 2 years, and you also have a prerequisite of completing cognitive skills test for taking any kind of subject and QT. So you can go through the pack. I'll be sharing you the link in the description box below. So these are the different kinds of offers where TCS NQT is providing for us, like TCS NQT IT Career Readiness Pack and TCS NQT BFS Career Readiness Pack, which is for only the financial background interested students. So I'll be providing you all the links in the description box. So go through that, check with that, and register immediately. As you already know, like TCS NQT variants like NQT Industry NQT and Subject NQT. You can choose like programming, basic computer skills, as well as accountant. You can buy this. So what is the journey to a dream job? The first thing is you need to register. You need to buy a TCS NQT variant, take the test, and the score, get the score, which is valid for completely 2 years, and then apply for any kinds of jobs that is posted in the TCS Ion job portal. So if you have any questions, or if you want to go through any kinds of products that TCS Ion is going to hire, you can request a call back, or you can call them, you can email them, and you can also SMS them. So these are some of the FAQs that generally students ask. So you can go through these FAQs. I'll be providing you all the 3 links in the description box. So hurry up and register immediately in order to get a pathway for your career. Thank you.